What's on tonight's episode of Messy Desk? Well, back to Krampus, we're working on his head, getting his lights in here. What I did in there is I used some Rapid Fuse by DAP, glued those lights in there. Gonna seal those lights up with Tulip Slick. All I'm doing is putting a crap load of this over the lights in there. Now that light will be sealed in. Since this is just a solid line, all I'm doing is twisting my wires together. All I'm going to do is add some flux to both of these and do a very nasty bead of solder. Nice and silver. Then I'm going to get my shrink tubing over here to protect our lines. Click on the fire and shrink these up. And of course we got to test his eyes. Click on the power source. We have some glowing eyes. I have to do some more light blocking around his eyes. Next up, I just got to fish this wire through, pull it through the hole on the bottom, and then we got to glue his head in place. Okay, his head's in place, his eye is glowing. I don't really like putting on so many parts, but I had to put his arm and his head on because I have a lot of gaps to fill, and we're going to start doing that tomorrow with the Milliput.